Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a customer of Indian Overseas Bank, then I am starting this series especially for you people, in which I'll be covering digital products of Indian Overseas Bank. I'm planning to make at least 4 to 5 videos, but if I get a good response, I'll definitely make more. I will cover digital products like internet banking, what are the features of internet banking, how to register for internet banking, or what are the types of debit card that Indian Overseas Bank offers to you, what are the limits, daily transaction limits on them, or say if you want to download a statement of your account but you have not availed the facility of internet banking, how to do so. Other than this, if you want me to make video on some other topic, simply comment and I'll try to make it. In this first video, I'll tell you how to download a statement of your savings or current account if you do not have facility of internet banking. How to do so, I'll tell you. Let's begin. Let me first tell you that you need not to have a PC or a laptop, desktop basically, to download a statement. You can do it on your mobile also. Plus in Chrome, desktop site enabled, it is also not necessary. You can simply download it either on mobile or laptop. No issues. How to do it? I'll tell you. The first thing that you have to do, open Google and simply type IOB statement. IOB statement. Enter. Then you can see the first link. This is the link that you have to open. This is a site, the first site that will come. Simply open it. The only option you can see here is service type. Means what kind of service you are looking up to. If you check, the first thing is download TDS deposit and interest details. Means if you have FDs in an Indian Overseas Bank, you can simply download your TDS certificate from this option. Interest certificate for education loan, housing loan interest certificate, all these things you require while filing ITR. Now for a statement, you can see here are two options. Statement of your savings and current account and statement of your loan account, loan statement. In today's video, we are focusing on how to download a statement of your savings and current account. Here you can see in the box, it is mentioned for 6 months only. Means you can download a statement for 6 months. 6 months, it doesn't mean you can download it on for only 6 months. Means if you want to have a statement for the whole year, you'll have to do the process twice. It is as simple as that. After clicking next, you can see the first option is to give your savings account number. You will have to give the whole 15-digit account number. Shortcut will not do. So let us type the whole 15-digit account number. It is then asking to feed your PAN, but it is not mandatory. Let us leave it. Then registered mobile number, the number which you have given in Indian Overseas Bank for your account on which you are getting your SMS alerts and other messages. While filling these two details, always remember, do not press backspace or delete any digit. Otherwise, you may get an error of invalid session or session expired. You might not get confused while filling mobile number, but while filling account number, you may get confused. So either take the passbook with you in front of you or write it down and keep it in front of you while filling. After this, we have to enter date. So in from and to, we can go for 6 months only. So from 1st April and today is 14th of June. So we'll select that also, that only. After that, we have to fill this CAPTCHA. Check the image properly and then only start filling the CAPTCHA. Do not press backspace as I mentioned earlier. If the CAPTCHA is not clear, you can simply refresh and keep refreshing until and unless you are sure what is being shown there. So let us feed this CAPTCHA here and then click on the next. After clicking next, now you can see the system is asking to give OTP. That is why I mentioned earlier to give the registered mobile number, because you will receive OTP on that particular number only. Let us give OTP and then click submit. After submitting, if you're doing this process on mobile, so on mobile, or if you're doing it on laptop, desktop, a PDF file will get saved automatically. You can simply open this file and check the statement of particular duration for which you wanted your statement. You can simply take the printout from here, or you can simply share the same PDF itself to whomsoever you want to. This is it. This was the simple process, very simple process, I am sure, to download the statement of your Indian Overseas Bank account if you do not have the facility of internet banking. I hope this video was useful and you might have learned something from this video. If you have, then kindly like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel also. And also share the link of the channel or the link of the video with other IOB customers so that they will get the benefit too. Also click on the notification bell so you will get the notification whenever I post the next video, and definitely it will be regarding some or other product of Indian Overseas Bank. So this is it in this video. Thank you for watching.